Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products for you. Today, we're shedding light on the GIGALUMI Pathway Outdoor Lights, claiming to be the best solar outdoor decorative lights in the market. Let's see if they live up to the hype. First off, let's talk about design. These lights feature a sleek and modern design, perfect for illuminating your outdoor spaces with style. Crafted with high-quality materials, they boast durability that withstands the elements. Installation is a breeze. With no wiring required, simply stake them into the ground and let the sun do the rest. The adjustable stems allow for customizable height, catering to your landscaping needs. Now, let's talk about what sets these lights apart: their solar-powered functionality. Equipped with efficient solar panels, they harness the power of the sun during the day, storing energy to light up your pathways at night. The warm, inviting glow adds ambiance to any outdoor space, creating a welcoming atmosphere for guests or a tranquil retreat for yourself. Plus, with no electricity costs, they're not only eco-friendly but also budget-friendly. But how do they hold up in terms of durability? Well, these lights are built to last. Constructed with weather-resistant materials, they can withstand rain, snow, and harsh outdoor conditions, ensuring they'll shine bright for years to come. Another notable feature is their versatility. Whether you're illuminating a garden pathway, lining a driveway, or accentuating landscaping features, these lights offer endless possibilities to enhance your outdoor space. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: performance. Do these lights deliver on their promise of brightness and longevity? Absolutely. With LED bulbs that provide crisp, clear illumination, they effectively light up your pathways without fail. And thanks to their intelligent light-sensing technology, they automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn, conserving energy and ensuring hassle-free operation. In conclusion, the GIGALUMI Pathway Outdoor Lights truly live up to their reputation as the best solar outdoor decorative lights on the market. With their stylish design, effortless installation, solar-powered functionality, and reliable performance, they're a shining example of innovation in outdoor lighting. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Until next time, happy lighting!